in front of?
The new wall.
The new wall. Welcome them.
Hey.
What's up, guys? I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. Who are you?
Olivia.
Olivia. What is new for my channel, for my members?
No.
What's coming out this week? Marvel Party Pack. In the Party Pack, you guys will get
Cake Talkers.
cake talkers. So we have cake toppers, party banners, a regular cake topper with all the Marvel characters.
Cake Talker.
Cake talkers. Cake talkers. Cake poppers.
Pig Pockers.
Cake pockers? No cake pockers.
Date Talkers.
No date talkers. What are we standing in front of?
The new wall.
The new wall. You guys want an update on the Auntie Tay studio? Do you want to take them around and show them what's new? Okay, so we've been hard at work. We are not done with this wall. This wall has a little bit more work to do. So I will be updating you guys on Mondays what it looks like, but let's go see what is new. Do you have any new products? Do you not even know? Tattoo paper is fully in stock.
Oh.
Are you gonna join my Amazon Live?
What is that?
Are you gonna watch it?
I don't know how to get on your Amazon thingy.
Oh, you just go to my Instagram and you go to my
I don't know how to watch you.
Well, I'm telling you, you go to my Instagram and then the link is in the bio and you click my Amazon store and then it'll take you to my Amazon store and my Amazon Lives are right there.
That seems like a lot.
It's not a lot. It's not at all. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, you just click the Amazon store link and my videos are at the bottom. Or you can join me there Wednesdays at noon PST live and you can chat and hang out and test products with me and stuff. You want to do it?
What?
You want to be in an Amazon Live with me?
What is that?
Exactly. We're all still learning Amazon Live. So let's show them the studio, okay?
Yeah.
So we got this all pink. We got a rug for right there. This whole wall is pink over here. And then this wall over here is our geometric wall, which is not done.